So, you see, I tak nampak the 4-1 because it's tied to a particular region. Let's say I go to the Seoul region, kan? Let's see, I go to the Seoul region. You nampak, deh, I tak nampak. Kaya tak? I tak nampak this, deh, I punya VPC, you see, tak nampak tadi. That's why it's specific, region-specific service. So now let me go to the Singapore region again. Okay, now I'm going to, when you create the VPC, you boleh create pakai the wizard. Okay, atau you boleh create pakai the manually. Let's say kalau you very familiar lah, you can go to you can just go to the subnet and create a subnet, go to the route table and create a route table or this loh. Okay, tapi kalau you tak familiar, you boleh pakai this loh, launch VPC wizard, kind of. Then you see when you come to select the VPC, right? There you boleh pilih VPC with a public and private subnet, VPC atau VPC with a public and private subnet and hardware VPN. This one you nak VPN subnet, another extra. Or you nak private subnet only, tak ada public subnet and hardware VPN. So hardware VPN is for your corporate on-prem data center to connect lah. So let's say I choose the public and private subnet. Then when you select this, you see there you can configure a CIDR block. Okay, this CIDR block basically means tadi kita cakap itu public and private subnet kan. So this public and private subnet itu dari this main block. It's from this main CIDR block. Faham? It's from this main CIDR block. Okay. So right. So contoh sekarang I pakai 10 default punya 10.00/16. Now I tak nak pakai IPv6 and that's why I say no loh. And I will give a name lah. Contoh okay, I put the demo VPC lah. And this is the public subnet loh. Nampak? Dia akan create a public subnet. Okay? For you. Right? So do you want to use this? Kalau you tak nak, you tukar lah. Tapi you see sekarang 10.0.16 is the main block. So your subnet, your public and private subnet, you are deriving dari this main punya, dari this CIDR block. So because it's 616, that means the first 2 digit you kena fix to what? 10.0. Faham? Kita boleh tukar lagi. Because what? Sini you pakai 16. Means 16 means what? The subnet mask 16-bit means the first and second byte gonna fix for your subnet must be what? First byte must be 10, second byte must be kosong. So contoh, let's say the third byte I boleh tukar. This is, let's say I tukar 1, this one I tukar the private subnet I tukar 2 loh contoh. Okay, faham? Okay, you see then you see that's why the subnet is tied to AZ1. Faham? I can put this is AZA 1A, this is AZ1B. Contoh, this is private subnet. So before that, okay, you see public subnet, I give the subnet address and the mask. /24 means I pakai apa? What is the mask? Kalau I pakai /24, class. Kalau I pakai /24 means what I pakai apa? 255.255.255.0. Betul tak? So after that, right? You know or not? /24. Let me type here in the meeting chat. /24 means 255. Betul tak? .255.255.0. Okay? You know this? The mask? Everyone, do you know this or not? You know this, right? /24. It means you pakai the subnet mask of 255. Everyone knows or not? Do you know this? This is networking concept.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So now, okay, so this is the public subnet. I will set what AZ. I can give a name, okay? So this is public subnet number 1, contoh. And then this is the private subnet, 10.02. I can choose the AZ, AP Southeast 1B. Then this is private subnet number 1. Let's say I put, okay, of course I can name any lah. I can put Brian. Tapi tadi there's a default name lah, kan not? I can put this is Brian subnet 1 or up to me to specify and okay, then dia akan kalau you pakai the wizard dia akan install the net gateway for you one. You see or not? The net gateway you must specify a elastic IP. What do you mean by elastic IP? Elastic IP is the public IP. Right? Please don't confuse the private and public subnet. Tadi, although kita say public subnet at the top here, this one is still a private IP. Betul tak? That I mentioned. For public subnet and private subnet, they are private IP. They are not authorized IP. Correct not? Tapi elastic IP is a what? Elastic IP is a, yes, is a legitimate IP. It's a valid IP. The net gateway need elastic IP. But you see, there's no elastic IP for me to allocate. Kenapa? Sebab I need to go to here and allocate, request the allocation. Let me go to my console again. Okay, another page, another browser tab. Let me choose the VPC again. Let me show you. Elastic IP is under the VPC. So you can request to look because they don't assign to you by default. Now you come to here, elastic IP. Let me show you where's the elastic IP. There, nampak elastic IP. Okay. Choose the elastic IP. You can allocate the elastic IP. You can request dari Amazon pool. Then you come to here, allocate lah. That is optional. Right. Then you see, dah ada satu lagi. 13. This is a legitimate IP. So after that, when you come to this screen, come to tadi I configure punya. This one. There, you see, let me search again. Oh, sorry, this is the pricing. Baru dia appear, nampak? Baru dia appear. Okay? So, then this is to enable the DNS host name or this lah. And the default tenancy is hardware. Default means what? Dia akan share. That means your EC2, dia akan launch on the host that shared by other account. Launch on the, when I say host, means physical server. Other account EC2 and they akan share with your EC2 on the same physical server. Kalau you tak nak share, you kena set dedicated. Faham? Okay? So there. So then after that you create a VPC. You see when I click create, they akan create already. I want to highlight to you, net gateway is not free tier. Right? Net gateway, even after that you configure already, dia akan charge you already. Faham? So, right, remember to delete just after testing immediately. Right, not kalau you create, you tak pakai, they also will charge you for the net gateway. Tapi internet gateway is free. Internet gateway is under the free tier. Net gateway is not free tier. So you have to wait. Later you will do this wizard. Okay? Later you will do this wizard. Alright, any question or not? Meanwhile, they are resetting. Let us have a break. 5 minutes. Is it okay? Can we have a 5 minutes break? Can? Maybe tak payah. Because we're going to stop at 1 o'clock. Can we continue? Which one you prefer? Because 1 o'clock we're going to have lunch break already.
Continue.
You need 5 minutes? Continue lah. Continue. So this is how we set up the VPC. You see, after I set up the VPC, then they will appear the subnet, all this. Then they also will appear the route table. Let me show you 1 minute. Wait for a while. All right? Let's wait for a while. 1 minute. I unshare my screen first. 1 minute.